Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And we're going to show you how to do a baseless installation with the Cybex Cloud Q. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is move the handlebar toward the trunk. There's a gray button on both sides of the chair. You're going to squeeze them both and move it all the way forward to driving mode. The handlebar will act as an anti-rebound bar and help produce forward motion. Now we can grab our seat belt and we can go over the car seat. So on both sides of the chair, there's a section for the lap belt. It's also on the handlebar, which is also why the handlebar needs to be all the way forward. So the seat belt can go over the car seat. You're going to buckle it in first. Then you can make sure the lap belt goes underneath these tabs here. Make sure you get both sides of the car seat. And this is where you've got an option. The shoulder belt has two options. If the shoulder belt is not long enough, you can let it go straight back up to the car. But if it is long enough, you can do what's called the European route. The seat belt goes around the back of the car seat. There's a third belt path back here, and the shoulder belt can slide right in. And now we can move on to our final step, which is to lock the seat belt. Grab the shoulder, pull it all the way out as far as it can go. Now when we let it go, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. That clicking sound is the seatbelt locking and staying locked. I'm going to push down on the car seat. I'm going to pull the shoulder belt away from the chair. And you want to feed all of the slack back in the car so it keeps locking. With one hand, grab it from either side of the chair. All you're looking for is an inch of movement. As long as the chair does not slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Never check it from the top here. This is always going to move. In some cars, it moves more than others. That's normal. That's just the way the car seats are going to move. We can now check the angle of the chair. On the side of the car seat, well, on both sides of the car seat, there's a red arrow. That arrow needs to be level with the ground, not the vehicle seat. So if it's not level, you can reposition the car seat until it is. On both sides of the car seat, there's a linear side impact protection. The only one that has to be open is the one next to the door. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.